Hey guys, this is Classic Reaction. Looking at the 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 tribute car. See, we've come quite a ways in the last couple weeks. Paint is pretty much finished. New bumpers are both here, ready to go. Everything's really going together nice on this car. This car's in such good shape to begin with that it's been pretty easy actually to do the car. See, we have a new white convertible top. We're doing the white interior right now, getting that ready to go. These stripes on the side are painted on stripes, so you never have to worry about these ever coming up or weathering or any of that type of problem. And the same thing with the stripe across the rear end. That's also painted in. We have a W35 wing coming for this car. Just waiting for that to show up here. Yeah. And the outside air induction hood, that's in paint right now, so can't wait to see that go on. That's going to really make the car look better. Stay tuned.